Hello, welcome back to Michelle the Maker. Anyways, I am returning with another awesome cool tutorial. So I've been seeing these cool padded headbands around town, like girls wearing them, super cute. But of course I have to do my own spin on it and make it with Ankara. And so today you're going to need a headband. I went to Walmart. I couldn't find one at the beauty supply that I actually really wanted. So I just went to Walmart. I'm going to work with this plastic one. So you need headbands. You need Ankara, of course. I'm using scrap fabric because I'm trying to get rid of as many scraps as possible. You need padding. I found this from an old reupholstery project I was doing. And then you're going to need felt or some type of fabric to make everything smooth. And that's basically it. You don't need your sewing machine, which is great because you don't have to sew all the time. Yeah. Oh, and you're gonna need a glue gun. Glue guns are needed, and scissors. So yeah, I hope you love it, and let's get to it. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't go too close on my hands because did I put lotion on? You know, I've been washing my hands a lot more than I usually do. And if you know me, I'm a germaphobe, so I don't be playing with germs, especially now what's going on, you know. Wash your hands, family. So the first thing that you're going to do is cut some of this material. How thick do I want this? Some of this material. So it's always easier to do bigger and trim down versus, you know, doing smaller and not having any space to trim. So I'm just gonna cut this off. Oh, I'm here for it already. I really am. Now you will get your glue gun and glue this down.
Today I lost my job and my baby. Now I'm 3 seconds from going crazy. Made them my sunshine, my own sunshine. They were more like flashlights, cause now I'm ready. I need the sun to shine right down on me.
Probably not going to do the part that covers it completely because it's just going to be for me. However, I also didn't measure this or iron it because it's just for me. But I think I know what it should look like. So I'm going to cut this. It's better to have more fabric than less, so I can actually go around this whole thing. Okay, I think I'm gonna start here and trim. Please wash the glue because this glue is hot. Very hot glue.
Set me free, yeah, yeah, yeah. From all the paper from my eyes. Shine bright, make me light, illuminate my life. Ooh. This feels good, don't it? Alright. So this is the part when you sing all your problems, all your pain, all your stress away.
is the final look. I actually really love this. I'm sure if I had more hair it would be a bit cuter, but I still think it's really cute. And it could be an accessory for people who have no hair, or who don't feel like, you know, doing their hair for the day. I think it's really cute. I'm into it. You do have an option to add pearls, but I didn't. And yes, I think I'm done. So, you know my spiel. Like, subscribe, comment to my YouTube channel, and, you know, tell a friend, tell somebody, and wash your hands, please. And stop coughing in the whole room, coughing out in the open, please. Anyways, bye.